My name is Dr. Wilber Ottichilo. I'm the governor of Vihiga County, one of the 47 counties in the Republic of Kenya. I have visited this important center, AMTZ, to learn more about what the center is all about, and specifically, we are interested in knowing more about medical equipment, their manufacture, and how we can be able to work together with the center to access to acquisition, repair, testing, and calibration of the same. Back at home, we have a big challenge on how to calibrate, test, and maintain most of our medical equipments in our medical facilities. And as a result of that, we are not able to provide medical services to our people as required, particularly when the equipment malfunction or don't provide the measurements that are accurate. So we are here to learn, and this morning and part of the afternoon, we have gone around the laboratories, and I would say that I'm very, very impressed by the level of development in this area of biomedical equipment, testing and calibration. I would say that this is one of the most elaborate laboratory that I think exist because I have had a chance to visit other areas, but this laboratory or this center has the highest level of equipment and even the expertise in various areas is of highest caliber. So we are very happy that we have formed a partnership with AMTZ, and we will continue to work together, and we are committed to ensure that they help us establish a laboratory in our county which will be specifically for calibration, testing, and maintenance. But equally, we believe we'll have a major undertaking of ensuring that our staff are trained in the same, either by us bringing our staff here for short-term training courses, and once in a while for the experts from here coming to Kenya to undertake the same. So we are very optimistic that our partnership is going to thrive, and we want to note that as a country, Kenya, we need Rio to improve our expertise and our activities in biomedical equipment and basically in maintenance. So I want to once more again thank the leadership, and particularly Dr. Sharma, for his foresight and vision of establishing this very unique center, which is providing unique services not only to India, but to the rest of the world. And I am further impressed by the level of quality standards that have been adopted here, which are of international standards. And while going around, I saw most of the laboratories are ISO standard certified. So that gives us a a guarantee that whatever services and equipment you receive from this center meets the highest possible standards that can be met as set by various world ISO standards. Thank you.